Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll see how to make a basic sign up page for a mobile app. So let's start. So it's a basic sign up page. So before designing, we must know for which kind of phone we want to design this. Also we must think about what are the components which we need on the screen. So first let's take the frame for the mobile app. So in the previous video we had seen how to select the kinds of frames which we require. So using the same steps, we click the frame icon and then in the design tab we select the required phone frame. So here if we can take Android. Let's take Android. So when we click Android, we'll get a screen frame here. So now for a sign up page, we know that there are some ways which we can sign up. First is using username and password or phone number, that is another one, or using OTP. So first we will try to design using username and password. So let's make fields for that. So let's take rectangles and drag them at the position of your liking. We can even write username here. Similarly, we need the password field. So we'll just copy paste this, or you can also press Alt and drag this field. So you get a copy of this. You can write password and then drag the rectangle also. Similarly, we can make, since this is the first time the person is signing up, we'll need two fields for the password because the person will retype the password once more for security reasons. So let's make one more field. And then we have a button for signing up. That will be another rectangle. And also we'll have to include an option for people who are not new users, so they can directly sign in instead of signing up. So we'll drag the text field below. So here we can write already a user, then sign in, and we pull this. Now we can beautify this. Before that, we'll make one more screen for the OTP kind of sign up. So we'll just replicate the screen. So again Alt and drag this. So for OTP, what you need is only the phone number. So instead of username, you have the phone number or mobile number. So before that, you can give a guidance to the user maybe that enter your mobile number for or on which the OTP is to be sent. And then once the user receives the OTP, he or she can enter it here. So this password column can be removed. So here we can keep a button for the so as soon as the user types in his phone number, he can click the send button. So we can again keep a button for that. Sometimes this could be automatically sent as soon as the user types in the 10-digit mobile number. So now let's start making this more visually appealing. For that, we may also give a small logo for the name of the app. So we can just take a polygon shape and then we'll make a logo out of this. For this, how to make shapes, you can refer to the basic shapes videos which we have already uploaded. For example, this is the logo. We'll just fill this using the fill and maybe put a circle inside. And write the name of the app. If it's a bank, we can write the name of the bank, XYZA bank. We'll make this text bold, the name of the bank, and increase the font size. Similarly, we can just copy this on the other screen also. Now let's also change the styles of the text here. We'll also try to align it with the boxes. So for that, I've used the distribute vertical spacing option. And now, to make the fields more visually appealing, we'll try to remove the fill. So for that, you can just click on minus, so remove the fill and add the stroke. And also we can add a slight rounded edge by giving a border radius of 5 in the design tab. Similarly for the others. So what I've done is copy the properties and paste it. Similar thing can be done here also. And similarly we'll change tidy up this. Now the buttons also can be given a slightly rounded edge. So again we'll give a border radius of 5 or a slightly bigger one, so we get a more elongated one, or circular edge. Similarly here, and what we'll write inside is sign up. So since we need to do this every time, if you click on this option here below the text, it will automatically scale according to your text or the number of letters which you are giving. So now let's try to increase the font size. Similarly here, let's make it 16. You can also center align it by options here, but we'll keep this as it is. And move this here. Now since sign in will be a link, to make it more highlighted for the user, we'll make it bold and also change the color. Similarly here. Change this color. Let's change the button colors also. I've selected all, and at a time we will change the colors. And then let's give a shadow effect to show that it's a button. We can again change the shadow effects for better visibility and better looks, that we will see in the next videos. Now here we have seen how to make a simple sign up page. This also can be slightly so that it fits in one line. We'll also change this color to differentiate it from the others. You can also add some design or pattern here just to fill this empty space. and we'll change the colors so that it merges with the screen. The same thing we can add to the next screen too. And don't forget to name the screens so that you'll be able to make out what you have designed for, even if you see the screens later. So you can just name it. So this is login with password. This is or sign up with OTP. Similarly, this is sign up. So hope you like this video. We will learn how to improvise these kind of screens in the next videos. Please watch the previous videos also and do let us know how you feel about these. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please mention it. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.